So today we are going to hike a rock called Turtle Rock. Robin woke up, none of us set alarms, so we're getting a late start. Robin made coffee and is currently walking G. Pawdrick is walked, peed and pooped, fed, and now we're packing the bag. So let's see how this goes. Your coffee's ready. Something we take on every hike. Hydro Pro airlift for Pawdrick, since he only has 3 legs. If it hurts one of his legs, we gotta be able to carry him. I can't carry him, but it's pretty heavy. Medicine kit. We had to use it a few times on some scrapes, things like that. Water. Robin's water bottle, my water bottle. Snacks, which I know are in a Daisy sour cream container, but they're trail mix. And video equipment. Protection. We also have bear mace and GoPro camera equipment and our handy dandy Sierra designed bag that we've had for what, 7 years now? Yeah, so.
Vedauwoo is a stone's throw away from Laramie, Wyoming. It features 1.4 billion-year-old Sherman granite towers and stunning landforms shaped by natural forces over countless years. Now, if you're into climbing, Vedauwoo is known as the Fat Crack Off-Width Mecca of North America. There's a wide range of climbing difficulty from 5.0 to 5.14. Turtle Rock is the namesake of the entire central Vedauwoo massif. It is one of several formations that make up central Vedauwoo and looks like a large dome resembling a giant turtle shell. It is bordered on the west by Glen Dome and the southeast by Friction Tower. You can see if you scramble up the Box Canyon Trail, fly drone over the rock formation. The actual Turtle Rock Trail is a 2.9-mile loop that goes around the rock. We ended up hiking the Box Canyon Trail, but didn't complete the trail since we walked from the dispersed camping area almost 2 miles away. We also didn't feel prepared for the actual scramble. If you park at the Vedauwoo campground parking lots, it would be an easy walk around, giving you the chance to take your time and explore all the different rocks.
So we completed the short Turtle Rock hike from the parking lot at the Vedauwoo. Oh, we say that wrong. Campground. You come up here though, you can't actually get to see Turtle Rock unless you scramble all the way up the rocks, which we weren't prepared to do today because we hiked all the way from our camper, which is 2.5 miles, and we did not plan to do another mile up the rock face. So I have some drone footage. Cue now. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, and so it was a good hike. It's paved all the way up here. It's pretty. Definitely be a good place to come and spend the day. Have a picnic. You can have bouldering. You can climb up all through the rocks. Bring the kids, bring the dog, bring the cat, which you will next time. And yeah, that's my thoughts on this. Robin, any thoughts?
Ditto.
All right. Now time to hike back and get back to G, and we'll check in once we get back.
All right, well, we made it back. Pod's eating a well-deserved bone. Robin is cleaning up and checking on G, who was in the nice cool van the entire time. Thoughts for our walk? Next time, drive up to the trailhead. Don't walk the 1.5 miles from the dispersed camping area to the trailhead, as it was no shade, very hot, and we could easily came back to our same spot. If you have another vehicle though, it's not that big of a deal. But overall, hike is cool to stand up there and spend up there in the Box Canyon, especially you can do a lot of things. Sorry for the video shaking, but the wind's going. Next time though, we will definitely do the hike around Turtle Mountain and do some of the scrambling, but we'll be more prepared this time. Yeah. Do you have any thoughts, babe? Robin's enjoying cleaning up right now and getting out of the sun. So for the rest of the day, we're gonna work. I'll start doing some editing, do some work on the website, and yeah. So check us out at dirtbagswithfurbags.com. We also have quite a few articles that we write about our daily hikes, also informational hikes, and that's about it. All right, Pod. Any last words? All right. Till next time.